Hello guys, my name is Rinki Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can deal with the situation of when mind goes blank and the fear of speaking. So guys, before going to start this video, I would like to say that I have started my own online classes. So if you guys are interested, you can do comment. This is only for the speaking. So guys, in this video, I would like to say you that how can you deal with the situation when mind goes blank and when we have a fear that how to speak. So how can we deal this kind of situation? At first, if you are a beginner, you should not think that I should be very fast and very clear about my language, because we know that beginners always struggles a lot. It's like and this is the initial age, so we should not we should not fear of we should not have a fear that I am going to speak whether it's right or wrong. So we should not think about this kind of things. So guys, what you all have to do at first, just speak with your friends and start making sentences. Yes guys, for this we have to translate those sentences in our mind. It's truth. People say that it's you should not translate the sentences, but in initial age we have to do this kind of things. Every time we have to think that what would be the sentence in English. If I think in Hindi the sentence, so what would be the English one? So we always think like that, and for this we actually try to translate those kind of sentences in our mind, because without translating it's not important. Yeah, once you get properly and when your speed is like very fast, then you think that I should not think in Hindi, then I can speak in English only. But for this stage you have to struggle a lot. Yes guys, this is the truth. So how can you deal with this kind of situation? Just start with your friends, and if you're just making any mistake in front of them, it's like normal. You should not think that why I'm making here mistake, I should not make any mistake. So it's not like that. You are free to make any mistake because you are a beginner. You have to start, and it's your started, you have started just right now. So if you make any mistake, it doesn't mean that you are not good speaker and all that. You should not think about that, but you have to start. This is the truth. You should not think that if I don't speak correct, I should not speak with anyone. No. At first we have to start, whether it's correct or whether it's wrong. It's depends that what you think. If you think that definitely I'll do some mistake, then only then you can there's 100% chances you are going to make a mistake. If we think that no, I am not able to talk with that person, then your mind always work towards that the way you are just thinking right now. So at first, just you have to be very very positive about what you want to do, what you are going to speak. So every time you have to be very very conscious about that. Okay. And yes guys, if you really want to speak something, at first you have to speak in your mind. In your mind, it's very important. At first it's like normal. Whenever we just talk to anyone, at first we talk ourselves only, then and after that we talk others. So at first, talking in your mind, just think about that. What would be the sentence in English if I talk with anyone? That suppose that I have to talk with my friend, so what will you talk with them, like how are you? So at first, going to how are you have to think in Hindi at first in your mind. It's very necessary. Second question would be okay, I wanted to talk to you, मैं तुमसे बात करना चाहता था. So you have to think at first in your mind, no matter if you are just going to take a lot of time to translate that, because you are a beginner and you are in right now initial age. So you can do this kind of practice, and we call it practice, not direct speaking. Okay, we call it practice, and we think that the practice means we need a person and have 1 hour, so only that time I can do my practice. Not, it's not like that. Generally you can talk with your friends, just make a call to your friend, and if necessary, when if you have any work with them, so you can call them, and that time it's normal conversation as you always do. Normal conversation, you can put some English translation over there, English sentences over there. When you talk with your friends, make sure that more of the things I'm going to speak in English. It would be the real practice. Yes guys, we need a person that I can sit behind him, or sorry, in front of him, and then I will only talk with him, and then I will do my practice. It's not like that. We know that you don't have anyone. If you don't have anyone, and we don't have every time anyone with us, like, so how can you do your practice? So that means you are just trying to means what we can say, you are trying to make excuses, like, no, I don't have anyone, so how can I speak in English? So it's totally wrong. Just be normal, be real, be actual what you are. Whenever you talk to your friend, try to speak more and more sentences in English. Okay, it's okay that you are going to talk with in Hindi, but make sure that this is my practice level, this is my practice period. Whatever I'm just going to talk with my friends, it doesn't matter that I'm talking in Hindi only, but I will definitely talk in English also. And let them think what they want to think about you. They would make fun of you, like whatever they would say about you, just let it be, just ignore that. Okay, but it will be the real practice. Yes guys. And friends, and gradually your friends will understand you that yes, you are very very fond of this speaking and all that, so they would definitely help you. So make sure that whenever you talk with anyone, be natural, and that time that practice would be the natural practice. So guys, just try to speak like that. Whenever you talk to anyone, just try to speak in English more than Hindi. Okay. So and don't think that what they would think about me. It's not your work. If you really want to speak this language, so why we are just waiting for others? Be natural. Whenever you get time, and whenever you think that I have to talk with my friends, that time you can speak in this language, because it will be actual conversation. And when we arrange a person to have a conversation, it's like a fake conversation. I'm not saying that is a bad, but then you every time you will need a person to whom you can talk. Otherwise you're you will never be ready that no, I have to talk with anyone. You would definitely feel that if I wish I could have someone so that I can speak like that. So just be very natural every time. And suppose that the family member which is who is very comfortable with you, and you can talk with them, generally you talk a lot with them, so try to speak those kind of person. It could be your family member or a spouse, your siblings, whatever. Just talk with them in English. Yes, because they would never make you fun. They know that you are trying a lot, you are just doing you are trying a lot to speak in this language, and it's like your passion. You just want to be a good speaker, that's why you are doing this. Let them think what they think about you, but you should not stop your practice. Only this will be the real practice. Okay, because this is the time when you are just going to break your fear in to speak in public, because when we be very natural that I am going to talk with my friend naturally, and I definitely speak in English, so you should not think about more and more that time. Okay, and it's like natural, you are going to speak naturally. So the same way you can face any kind of a stranger. So it will remove your fear to speak with the public, and so you will be very very confident about that. Okay, so just try this kind of things. And these are the things I wanted to share with all of you. If you guys like my video, please subscribe my channel. It's a humble request to all of you. And guys, if you really want to join my class, do a comment. I definitely reply you. Thank you guys, thanks a lot.